In this video, I'll show you how to turn on live match updates in Messenger. First, open the Messenger app on your phone and go to the group chat where you want to receive match updates. Next, tap the plus icon located next to the message box at the bottom of the screen. From the menu, select Live Updates. You'll then see a list of upcoming and live matches. Browse the schedule and tap on the match you want to follow. Once selected, the match will be linked to your group chat, allowing real-time updates to appear directly in the conversation. As the game progresses, important events such as goals, red cards, and major highlights will automatically be posted in the chat, so everyone can follow along and react without leaving Messenger. And that's how to turn on live match updates in Messenger. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.